Today might be like a boring video because we're just going to Dollarama. I don't know what else kind of footage we're going to have, but for now, that's what's up. Okay, we need to go to the beauty aisle because I need like, what do I need? I always go here for my hair ties. There's these ones I really like from Dollar Tree, but they don't sell them anymore. I don't even know if they sell the ones I like here anymore either. I'm very specific with hair ties. Don't like those, don't like these, don't like these, don't like these. Yeah, they don't carry them. I need a pumice stone for my feet because I have corns on my feet. I know it's disgusting. Oh, this is cute. I need this. I don't want to spend $2.50. So I need a good hairbrush. So I don't even know that I have a paddle brush like this right now. But does this help more? Does this help more? I don't even know which is better. They have like brand name ones. Pumice stone, Foma Fate. Oh, here we go. Up there. Oh, there's one right here. We need one of these. I don't even know how long these last for. Thinking if I need one of those just to clean under my nails because sometimes you can get really funky. What else do I need? Oh, Kleenexes, the name brand. Where is it? Yeah. Ooh, they have new packaging. It used to be kind of like gray. Now it's blue. What else do I need? I know I need some brown rice, I think. Does this even work? Does this even work? Highly doubtful for $2.50. I don't even know. I need some baby wipes because I'm hygienic. $2.50 for one. It's expensive. You can get like a pack of 6 for like $8 at the grocery store. I need their brown rice. Okay, quick stop at Value Village just to check if there's anything, but we've been here like multiple times this week already, so I don't know if we're gonna find anything, but we will look. Okay. This is a sports sack. Kind of cute. Oh, that's not cute at all. Shame. They'd have probably resold this for like $40 at least. Ooh. But not with that, no. No bueno. And see, this wasn't here yesterday, so it means that they always put out things all the time. What is this? Oh, kind of cool. I've seen this before. Let's start over here. What's this? 9 West. Kind of cute, but it's $18 though. Very small. Too small for function. I don't know, we'll just hold on to it for now. This looks like matinette. And it's matinette. $10. But it's really small. I don't like that bamboo detail really. And to be honest, matinette's not really a big seller for me too. It's like a shoulder bag too, so it's not desirable for the masses. What is this? And why do you feel like something? Oh, I keep thinking this is something. It's always, it was like the 4th time I thought that was something. What brand is this? Nothing. Okay. This just seems way too small for anything. I mean, it's cute. It'd be like $50, $60 if you buy a brand new. It's a cute little like wallet to have. Cassette player. It's a cute little like wallet to have. Like a little crossbody or whatever. I don't know. We will see. True Religion. It is True Religion. $14.99. There's no label inside though, so how do you know this is authentic True Religion? Not bad. Not bad price though. Gap. I thought that was Lulu for a second. I don't know if we want this. I would never find it useful at all. It's really cute though. I like that it's black. Oh, there's some leather peeling right there. Never mind, we're putting it back. If it wasn't peeling like that, we probably would have gotten it. And if it was $10, then we probably would have gotten it. That guy over there is like really, really cute. What is this? I found some B&G that will fit in my glasses. Now it's a complete set. Perfect. Yeah. Those D&G glasses I have, I think I bought them for like, oh, it was like $6.99 I think. And I think it was minus 30%. So if I add that to this price, so let's say I paid $6, and then this is like $4, so that's how much? 10. Let's say I'm in it for 11. So if I sell it for like 40, even like 30, then if I sell it for 30, then I'll still make a profit. Because right now the bids are low on it because there's no case, and that's why I'm guessing. Anyway. Egyptian cotton, because this is where I bought my sheets from Giant Tiger, and there's a huge difference between just 100% cotton and actually Egyptian cotton. Like I hate microfiber. They have microfiber here too, and they have things that are like, let's say 65% cotton. Ew, my hand looks so weird. 65% cotton, 35% polyester. Like I don't like those poly blends, but I found one over here. And it's in the size that I have, double. 300 thread count, 100% Egyptian cotton. And it's $12. I remember paying that price for it before, but That's such a good deal. It feels so nice on your skin, the Egyptian cotton. But yeah, what if they have another one? Is this Egyptian cotton? I don't even have like a king bed anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna look some more, but so far we have this. It's kind of like a cream color. It's not actually white, but I'm okay with that. It's good to change up your sheets sometimes. Hey guys, so that's it for today. Sorry it was really boring, but I had a boring day today. So all I did was get some essentials, checked out the thrift store, and worked out. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.